Let's do another tour here in Sherwood in the Northwest. This home is located close to Beacon Hill Shopping Center, which has Costco, Michael's, Winners, Paris Baguette, PetSmart. Lots of great stores there. And as we walk through this home, a couple key features are there is a brand new roof, as well as the whole house has been freshly painted. We have beautiful hardwood floors throughout. And we're going to start off here in this large kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Got a nice living space there with a sunroom. As you can tell, there's lots of storage space. Beautiful counters. And as well, we have a pantry. Nice dining room area. So here we have the dining room area and then the sunroom off to the left. We have a good sized backyard, so if you have kids, this will be great for them. You have houses behind you, but they are up on the hill, so they're not directly behind you, which is really nice. Fenced backyard, so if you have a dog, this would be perfect. Let's head back into the house. So you've got a nice fireplace in the living room to keep you warm in the winter. You've got your foyer here. On this level, we do have 2 offices. So if you're working from home, this would be great. Or if you have a business, this would be great as well. This is just off the front entryway. So you can see people coming and going. And then straight ahead is the other office. Both are really good sizes as well. So if you have both of you working from home, this would be perfect. Or if you need an office and then the other room you need for business, be perfect. And then it goes right into the laundry room, very spacious, and then into the double attached garage. You do have a closet in the laundry room as well, so lots of storage. You've got a bathroom on this level as well. So this floor plan is a wraparound. So it starts in the foyer and then it wraps around to the living room, kitchen, and then the offices, laundry room. All right, let's take you upstairs. This house also has brand new carpeting as well throughout the home. There is a nice large bonus room on this level with skylights just ahead of you there. But let's start off in the primary bedroom. So this primary has a patio off of it, which faces the backyard. You have your ensuite here. We have a jetted tub, which is really nice. Double sinks. A lot of people these days are looking for double sinks. We have a stand-up shower as well. I know a lot of people are looking for houses in the north end of the city. This would be a perfect option for you. There is a Catholic school nearby. As well, if your kids go to public school, there are buses that will bus them out. And lots of local shopping. And here's the patio again. There's my QR code if you'd like to get a hold of me. If you'd like a private showing, just give me a quick text. And then shortly down the hall here, we have another bedroom. So they're all really good sizes, good sized closets. I know my husband and I moved here 4 years ago, and we actually live in Sherwood, so we love this neighborhood. And then you've got a full bath here as well. And then this bedroom actually has its own bathroom, which is great. And it is a full bath. So if you have a child who's looking for their own bathroom, maybe you've got a teenager, this would be perfect. And then we have another bedroom just across the hall here, another good size. All brand new carpet, as I mentioned. And then we're going to go into the bonus room, which has the skylights. So you've got lots of light in this house. And then this faces off the front of the house as well. So this faces east. And as you can see, the skylights there. So it gives lots of light to the house. Another quick look for you. So if you're looking to relocate maybe from BC or Ontario to Calgary and you're looking for a house, this one would be perfect. If you have lots of kids or if you're just looking for more space. If this house isn't what you're looking for, I can always help you look for another one. And let's head downstairs. This is a finished full basement. We've got a bar area on the left here. It's a custom built bar, which is really nice. So if you're having some gatherings, you bring your friends over, this would be a great space. There's also a full bathroom down here. So maybe if you have an older kid who's looking for their own space, this would be perfect, as there is a bedroom down here as well. And some storage space under the stairs. And this is the utility room, as you can see. And here's the bedroom. There is a large walk-in closet as well. And even if you have guests that come into town, this would be another great option for them as well. You'd have some space for them. And this whole basement wraps right around from the beginning to the end. Well, thanks for joining my tour here. This house is in Sherwood in the Northwest. There is my QR code. Go ahead, scan it. This will let you be able to text me right away. Ask me any questions that you like regarding this house, another house. If you like a private showing, do let me know. My name is Leane EL Haddaoui, and I'm a local Calgary realtor. I hope you enjoy this tour. Have a great day, everyone. Happy 2026.